Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the mysterious badge. I'm not going to get it because you have to be like super popular, I guess, in this game to get it. So the mysterious Grimkin seems to really like this house. So when you host a hide and seek party event, you will need to get 200 people, including yourself. You can actually include yourself to like your house, and other stickers don't count. So when you host the hide and seek party, they will need to press this like button a total of 200 times to basically make you earn that badge. So that is what the mysterious badge is. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!